After you've created your listing on the Wedding Experts and you decide you want to go back and edit it, which is a great thing to do on a regular basis, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do that. Right now, I'm on the home screen of the weddingexperts.love. In the top right-hand corner, you want to click the pink Sign In button, which is located right here. Once you click on it, it's going to prompt you to enter your email address and your password. This is what you set up at the beginning when you were creating your listing on the platform. Once you put your information in and log in, you're going to see your name in the top right-hand corner. When you click on your name, you click on the word dashboard. As you can see, I'm using a mock wedding business account to show you the steps. So when you're on your dashboard, over here on the left-hand side, you will see an edit button, which is located right here to the left of your screen. Now, if you have multiple listings, multiple businesses, or if you're running a banner ad or have events or deals, each one of those are a separate block on the left-hand side. So as you can see, I'm going to be on the mock wedding business and it shows listing. So this means when I click the edit button, I'm going to be editing the business listing for this account. So now we're going to click the edit button. Then it will bring you up to the edit listing page. Here, you have access to all of the information that's on your listing. So you can add photos, you can add videos, you can edit your descriptions, you can change your keywords, edit your contact information. Whatever you would like to edit, you can do from this screen. Once you're done, you scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to make sure you click the pink Save button. Once you click Save, you see that it takes you back to your dashboard. And that is all you have to do to edit your listing on the Wedding Experts. Remember, this is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for you to edit your listing at your convenience.